Today's the day. So today, on the 11th day of the Fly Lady system, we're going to get creative with our control journals. If you have a 3-ring binder, go ahead and pull it out. We're going to get a little bit crafty. Today's challenge is all about inspiration. So whatever inspires you, phrases, saying, pictures of your children, whatever it may be, get ready to print it out. If you have a printer, this challenge is a super fun one. Make it your own. Now, all you have to do is put on some fun music and get inspired. Control journals, we will be super inspired and motivated. Also, let's not forget about our habits. Every single night we are to shine our sink, pick out our clothes, do a 2-minute hot spot and a 5-minute room rescue if you wish. And don't forget the habit we connected to it. Every time we're going to shine our sink, we're going to want to make sure that it's clear, so we are to do our dishes. And in the mornings, we are to dress the shoes, and also we connected unloading the dishwasher to that. We are to do a 2-minute hot spot, a 5-minute room rescue, and just yesterday we added 15-minute declutter. The Fly Lady website does state that if you have a lot of trash, to go ahead and start with that. However, keep going. We're doing so good. We're already 11 days in. Wow! And I hope you had fun with this one. It was super fun for me. I hope it was super fun for you. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye!